Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? This is just a quick Celsius network update on rates. So Ethereum is up to 5.35%. Bitcoin is still sitting at 6.2%. Now Dash is 4.6%. Bitcoin Cash 4.51. So there's a couple other little ones here and there that Stellar is 3.1. The stable coins are all at pretty much 8.88%. So down from the 10% they were getting before, but still not bad. All right? Oh, I just lost the internet connection. What's going on? All right, guys. Sorry about that. So, you can see here, we got some more that are coming up. That's good. You got the Kyber, Binance. Okay, not real popular these days since they had a little issue. Polygon, 10.51%. That's good. All right. And coming soon, Polkadot 8.86. Can't forget that. Got the Curve, Dow, Yearn Finance, Hedra Hashgraph, and Cardano. If you guys want a free $40 for just opening an account, putting $400 in, let me know. Check out my code below for the coupon code. You guys put $400 in, you get a free 40 bucks in Bitcoin, 10% return instantaneously. Bam! Can't beat that. All right, guys, be sure you subscribe to my channel, the Daily Options Trade, along with cryptocurrencies and how to make money while not staking, but still getting interest for your crypto. This place, Celsius, is top-notch. I can't highly recommend it enough. Although, this is not investing advice for informational and educational purposes only. That's my disclaimer. Anyway, go get your free 40 bucks. Put your 400 bucks in, create an account. Super easy to do. All right, guys. Good luck out there. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe. And thanks for watching.